Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video, guys. So in this video we'll show you how to install all your needed software and logiciel and application that any laptop or PC needs after formatting the Windows or after installing a new Windows on your PC. And this website, as you can see, ninite.com, will allow you to bulk install all your software and applications needed within one simple click, and that's also contain the download and the installation at once, and all that you can set up all that with one simple click, guys. So all you need to do after getting done with the installation of Windows, just go over this website, ninite.com. I will put the link in the description, and go ahead and select all your software needed as you like, guys. So here is the web browsers. You can select your own browser, your messaging, your media, your runtime. For example, I will need VLC. Here you will need all those stuff for your PC, Java and Net Framework and Silverlight and all this. You will need this for your PC. I already have this. Your image editing, especially this GIMP, I think you will need that. Your Adobe Reader, your PDF reader. So you have all you need, guys. So just select all you need. For example, the WinRAR, and there is a lot of stuff that you will need after the installation of Windows. You will prefer to do this way. So after selecting all your application and software, all you need to do, guys, is go below the page and you will find here get your Ninite. So click on it here, as you can see, and directly the website will give you an extension, and all you need to do is run this extension here, and automatically the setup, and just click yes, and automatically the download and the installation will be started. So this application will download all your software and will bulk install all those software. So you don't have to worry about installing any software one by one. This will be done all automatically, as you can see. And all you need to do is then check out your software by going to control panel and simply navigating to program and feature. So here, as you can see, here is the VLC media player, as you can see. And what I like about this website is it doesn't install anything on your PC, so all the installation is clean, and don't worry about nothing on your PC, guys. It's very safe. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand how you can do this fully automatic, and if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and a comment if you want. Thank you, guys.